Hello, my friends, and welcome back to my channel, Coffee, Tea, Paper. If Easter is something that you celebrate where you are, happy Easter to you. We're currently on the last day of our 4-day long weekend here, and I've just been enjoying spending time with the family, having everyone at home, and we've done not much, I have to say, and it's been wonderful. We've played a bit of golf. We've been catching up on some TV that we've wanted to watch, and yeah, it's just been what we've needed, to be honest. Some quiet relaxation time. Let's get into our prompt for week 15. I'm a bit slow given that it's Monday, but I've also been catching up on all my pen pal replies. I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'm pretty pleased with that. Ah, memories in colour. Pick a colour and use it to represent a favourite memory. Well, we've got brown, green, red, and pink. Do you know what? I'm basically going to pick probably brown. And I like brown. I think it's warm and cozy, and coffee's brown, and yeah, it works for me. And I think I am going to be a bit dull and basically choose these past few days. This has been a really lovely 4 days. I think life sometimes is made up of those quiet memories rather than the big major events. And I would like to, I think, capture that, because otherwise I think it will just blur into other Easters. So, I mean, we have had Easters that have been very memorable. In my photos, it came up when we went up to O'Reilly's with another family, and all the kids were in the Easter bonnet parade, and there was Easter egg hunts, and I made hot cross muffins because it was a bit tricky with the kitchenette that we had, and do still remember that very clearly because it was such a fun Easter, and we went bushwalking and all those sorts of things. So this weekend, where we actually haven't really done anything too memorable per se, I think I'd like to capture that as just one of those lovely, gentle weekends together. I'm going to put together some things that represent this past weekend and how I've been feeling, and make a page, pop on some music, and just have some nice time relaxing together. Right, my friends, I've put together a few things that are sort of representative of the weekend that we are, well, still enjoying. Still a little bit left just today. And one of my favourite memories from this weekend is that I made hot cross buns from scratch for the first time. And I must say, I'll put a photo or a couple of photos up, but I was super happy with how they turned out. Look, completely patting myself on the back here, but they are the best hot cross buns I have ever had in my entire life. The recipe is from Gewurzhaus, and I followed it exactly, well, almost exactly. The only thing I did differently is I put an extra teaspoon of cinnamon in, because we love our spices in this house. That was the only difference that I made. I'll try to remember to leave a link to the recipe in my description box. Of course, you could make them without the cross on it and just enjoy some hot fruit buns. I'm going to get making. I've got some brown things. I've got a rabbit, of course, a picture of my buns that I made just before I enjoyed eating them. And I'm going to pop some music on and get going. One of the other couple of interesting things this weekend was My daughter washed her chicken, so she's looking magnificently floofy now. And I've got this scrap of French text because we have been listening to French Cafe Paris music all weekend for some reason. And yeah, so it just captures those. And I've got a scrap here from Happy Mail that one of my lovely pen friends, Jane, sent me, and on it has collect beautiful moments. I thought that was very appropriate as well. Okay, I'm going to stop rabbiting on now, haha, and get going. My friends, I didn't end up using this beautiful little snippet from my pen pal Jane, but that's all right. I really like how she's collaged this on this thick vellum. So I think I didn't want it to get lost on my page. I really want it to feature on a page in future, but be the star, I guess, is what I want. So we'll save that for another time. And here is my Memories in Colour Easter 26. And I've got some relaxing with coffee our chicken who enjoyed a pamper day, and of course the hot cross buns that I made that I was super pleased with. Bit of French text. That's my page for this week. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you enjoyed working in your journal along with me, or just sitting back and enjoying some quiet, relaxing moments together. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.